Hello my friend, how are you? So today's video I am finally using with Glamlight Barbie Summer Dreams palette. And this would be the finished look that I did. All at the same time, when you see this tutorial, I am chatting about new makeup releases I am interested in purchasing soon. And I know that my list is not that long, but I hope you enjoy. And with all that said, I'll go ahead and start the video right now. So I've already primed my eyelids with the Zoeva eye primer. So the first shade I want to take is called Rise and Shine. Here. And I'll go ahead and take my Sigma E40. So I could say that Too Faced has a lot of makeup releases I'm really interested in right now. And one of the first ones I want to mention is their collaboration with Pop-Tarts. And I remember eating Pop-Tarts not as much growing up, only because my mom, my dad would not buy too many sweets for us as kids, for my sister and I, but I always knew what they were. So with this collab, they're coming out with frosted strawberry and brown sugar cinnamon. They both look really good. I saw that they have a scent for both of those palettes, and the color story looks like something I would want to use every now and then, especially the frosted strawberry. I think that one is really pretty. The next one from Too Faced is the maple syrup pancakes. Now that palette I'm really excited to purchase. I hope I could save money to buy it next month. Hopefully Ulta has some coupons to get at a discount. So for the Pop-Tarts, it is retailed for $27 each, and they include 8 shades. And the maple syrup pancakes, that one is available at Ulta from when I last saw on the website. And the maple syrup pancakes, that one is $54. I feel like Too Faced always offers exciting makeup collections, especially during the holidays. From when I looked at the Ulta website recently, they came out with their Christmas collection, and it looks very pretty, especially the shimmers. I think the theme for that collection is based on New Year's Eve. Just by looking at it, because for one of the palettes it says something to do with popcorn. And that palette actually looks really nice. So the one I'm talking about is Popcorn Balls Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Now this one comes with 8 shades and it's retailed for $29. But you could kind of see there that there's a really pretty mid-tone yellow orange shade that looks like a really unique shade that I probably don't have, or maybe I do have in my collection. But the whole color story is very pretty. Then the next one is the Mary Mary Makeup Face and Eye Palette gift set. This one comes with a big palette. It has a couple of blushes, as it looks like, a bronzer, and eyeshadows that look like the structure of a Christmas tree. I do love how all the colors look like for that one, and it's retailed for $48, which is not that bad for what you're getting. And then for Ulta again, they have a Let It Snow Globes 3-piece eyeshadow palette gift set, and it's retailed for $54. And it comes with one that says Taste of Christmas, Peacock, and Holiday Angel. And they all look really beautiful. They each have a face pen for each of those palettes. They look like they're all blushes from what I'm looking at in the pictures. So usually for Too Faced Christmas collections, they often do release them in different retailers. So for Sephora, they get their own version of the exclusive Too Faced holiday collection, and then Ulta and QVC has their own as well. So I could say the last thing that I'm really interested right now would be the ColourPop in collaboration with the Haunted Mansion. I have been wanting to see the film, and from what I recall, Owen Wilson is in it, and I feel like he hasn't been in films for such a long time. But this palette looks really beautiful. It doesn't look like it has the large pans in it, but it's okay. Like, I think the color story is very wearable. I will definitely pick this up. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks. It does launch on September 7th, I believe, at 10 a.m. So this would be my finished eye look. So with this Barbie palette, I completely enjoyed using the Glamlight formula. I think the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. The mattes are not as loose on the pan. You could see there it was just completely easy to work with. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you are anticipating on anything new with the makeup releases. I know my list is not that much, but at the same time I would just like to pick very specifically what I want to buy and use. So thank you again. May God bless always, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. I love you. You take good care, be well, and be safe. Bye.